Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars, and perform them both together. So, let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
We are going to warm up with some of the notes that we need to play The Greatest Showman. So our first note is going to be a G sharp. Have a listen to this. Copy me please. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Our next note is going to be F sharp, which is our first finger on the front of the clarinet here. Copy me. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Our next note is going to be C sharp, which is our 3 fingers on the front of the clarinet with our baby finger on the side here. Copy me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Today we are going to play The Greatest Showman and we're looking at the red line. If you notice, the first 2 bars has a little dot at the end of it. That means that we have to repeat back to the beginning. Also, our C's are C sharps. Just here. Okay? It sounds like this. C, E, C, C, stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. C, E, C, C, stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp. Well done.
You play the first phrase a total of 5 times. On the 6th time, it's slightly different.
At the end of this bar we have 1 stamp and that's it. No other stamps after this one on the 4th beat. Okay, don't forget that we're playing our C sharps. It sounds like this. 3, 4. C, E, C, C, stamp. Okay, sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp. Your turn now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp. Well done. Today we are looking at The Greatest Showman and we're looking at the blue line. Okay, notice at the end of the first 2 bars we have 2 little dots. Those 2 little dots mean that we have to repeat back to the beginning. It goes like this. E, G, E, E, stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. E, G, E, E, stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Our G's are G sharps. Just this side key here on the left. Okay, this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Stamp, 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Well done.
Just like in part 1, you play the first 2 bars 5 times, and then on the 6th time it's slightly different.
At the end of this bar we have a stamp and no other stamps after it. Okay, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, G, E, E, stamp. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp. Don't forget, we are playing G sharps. Here we go, your turn now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp. Well done.
Before we put together the elements that we've learnt today, make sure you've taken the time to practice each part and that you feel confident playing the instrumental part. Now, we will play the introduction and sing Rewrite the Stars. Choose which clarinet part you are going to play.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.